I've got some tips and advice on how to paint your bathroom tile. It's all part of my video series on a no demo reno in the bathroom. Here's all the supplies that you're gonna need for this project. This kit is a 2-part epoxy acrylic. The product adheres to ceramic, porcelain, and fiberglass. It's also super durable and fast drying. The product comes in white and in almond. Each kit will cover 2 coats in a 70 by 110 square foot space, which is suitable for this bathroom tile. Grab your gloves and scrub the surface clean with a cleaner like Comet. Make sure to rinse it clean with warm water after. Next, use this tool to remove caulk between the tile and the tub. You might need to take a razor also to help loosen up that caulk. Take your time here to really make sure you get all the caulk out, and your end results will look as best as it can be. You're going to need to prepare your surface by using an abrasive pad and some lime away. Scrub the entire surface and let it stand for 5 minutes and then rinse with warm water. Once it's dry, you're going to sand down the tile. You can use a 400 grit sanding sponge, or you can use a palm sander. Once you've roughed up the surface, rinse it thoroughly and remove all that dust. Once dry, take a tack cloth and run it across the tile to pick up any dust particles that might have been missed. Use some painter's tape to mask off walls, doors, hardware, anything you don't want painted. I like using frog tape because of the paint block technology. It really seals the edges perfectly to help create that crisp paint line. This is the fun part. Make sure you properly vent the area. Open doors, windows, and use some floor fans to really circulate that air. Make sure you use a face respirator. I chose the color white, but the Rust-Oleum Tub and Tile refinishing kit comes in other colors as well. You're going to want to open part A and part B and stir them separately. Stir both of them really well to make sure you mix any of the pigment that might have settled at the bottom of the can. Wearing safety goggles and gloves, you're going to want to mix part A into part B and stir for 2 minutes. Once the product is mixed together, you have 6 hours to complete this project. Apply the paint mixture using a small 4-inch roller with a 3/8 nap. This will give it a smooth finish. Start at the top of the bathroom tile and roll the paint in short motions, keeping a wet edge, and go all the way to the bottom. Try not to roll over the areas that are wet, and for touch-ups, use a brush. You'll notice that small bubbles appear on the surface while you're painting, but don't worry, those disappear as the paint dries. If you see the old color coming through or some thin spots, you just apply a second coat after your surface is dry. Allow the final top coat to dry for 1 hour and then remove the painter's tape. And remove it slowly so you don't peel away any of the paint. You're going to have to wait 3 days before exposing your tile to water. Before you use this shower, make sure that you go around the tub and re-caulk between the tile and the tub surround. This tile looks brand new. Want another great transformation? Keep watching to see how I took a drab kitchen countertop and transformed it with paint.